Here are the 8 powerful attributes a complete trader should possess to become profitable in Forex trading. Hello traders, this is WhiteFX. I'm here again to share something very important and interesting about Forex trading. But before we can continue with our main content, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet. Or if today is your first time landing on this channel, kindly turn on the notification bell as well, so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So back to business now. Guys, a complete trader should typically possess a combination of very many elements, as we're going to be seeing today. Today I will mainly talk about 8 important attributes that every trader needs to be complete and to be profitable. Number 1, I'm going to start with market knowledge. Every trader should be with what we call market knowledge. In Forex trading, market knowledge is simply the deep understanding of how currency market works. This includes the market mechanics, knowing that Forex is a decentralized system where there is no physical location or governing body controlling the market, but rather a vast interconnected network of banks, brokers, and other financial institutions are the ones which control this market. Then still under the market knowledge, you need to understand the technical analysis. This technical analysis consists of historical prices and the volume data to identify trends, patterns, and potential price movements. Then also consider the fundamentals by evaluating economic factors such as interest rates, talk about inflation, government policies, and also the news events to understand how they can affect this market. Then also you have to consider the sentimental analysis and also understand the pips, spreads, talk about the leverage and the margin, then also the major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. All these will help you to understand this market and make informed decisions. Point number 2, let's talk about having a trading strategy or having an edge. This is so crucial for everyone's success, because when you have a trading strategy or when you have an edge, first of all, it's going to eliminate emotional decision making, and also it's going to instill discipline in you, and also it's going to provide a framework for consistent data-driven trading decisions. A strategy is mostly going to help traders to stay focused and to avoid costly mistakes and build a sustainable approach to the market. Number 3, let's talk about risk management. For sure, understanding and using proper risk management is going to protect your capital, and also it's going to mitigate emotional decision making, and it's going to ensure a long-term sustainability in the market. The rule is very simple: protect your capital first before thinking of making a lot of money or making those profits which you dream about without a disciplined approach to managing risk. A few bad trades or even a volatile market is going to wipe you out, and you may end up blowing your entire trading account, even if you have the best winning strategy. So long as your risk management is poor, you're going to lose a lot of money, and you're going to lose that account. Then number 4, there is what we call emotional control. A trader's emotional and mental state is often considered more critical for the market performance than even the technical analysis alone. I'm simply talking about psychology. This is what I'm simply referring to. You see, controlled emotions lead to long-term success in trading, and seriously unmanaged emotions, they also lead to impulsive and irrational decisions that can erase profits and cause significant losses in the market. Emotion control will protect you from FOMO. FOMO, that is the fear of missing out on trades. And then it's also going to protect you from greed. This greed which may involve over trading, increasing position sizes, ignoring risk, and holding winning trades for long. It is also going to protect you from overconfidence, which may develop after a series of successful trades, causing most of the traders to ignore risk and maybe even over leverage and disregard their plan. It will also protect you from revenge trading and also having a lot of hope. So emotional control is very important for every complete trader. Let's talk about adaptability as our point number 5. And adaptability in simple terms is the ability to adjust to the changing market conditions. Every trader and every complete trader and profitable trader needs this attribute, because in the market we're going to find that this market is constantly influenced by a variety of economic, political, and social factors. So when you have a rigid trading strategy that cannot be adjusted for the evolving market dynamics, this one can be dangerous to you. It can quickly become ineffective, leading to the significant or even big losses in this market. This attribute in the long run is going to help you to mitigate losses, capitalize on new opportunities, and maintain consistency and discipline, and very many other things which I have not talked about. Let's go straight to number 6. Continuous learning. Every trader, every complete trader, and every profitable trader needs to continuously keep learning. A complete trader should always be eager to learn new things always, because the market is dynamic and ever-changing due to very many factors. A trader's success depends not only on the initial knowledge that person got from maybe his or her mentor, but also depends on the ability to adapt and evolve. We're going to see that embracing lifelong learning can improve traders' performance. It can help you manage your risk and develop the discipline necessary to avoid those market hardships. Then the second last point, that is number 7, we're going to talk about patience. This is the willingness to wait for the trading opportunities. So if you want to be a complete trader, or if you want to be that profitable trader, you need to be patient. You need to wait for those good trading opportunities. We're going to see that when a trader is patient, It's going to help you to wait for those high probability setups. It's going to help you to stick to your trading plan. It's going to help you to avoid those emotional decisions and let profitable trades run their course. But you're going to find that when you are an impatient trader, you're going to have what we call that impulsive trading, trading with excessive risk, premature exits from the winning trades, all which can result into very big losses and even failure in this market. Then when we go to the last point, and that is point number 8, is what we call self-awareness. Self-awareness is very important because it's going to allow you to recognize and manage the emotional and psychological bias that can negatively impact your decisions and consistency. You're going to see that understanding your own mindset is often very important in achieving profitability in this business. We're going to see that how can you achieve, or how can you be with this element of self-awareness. This can be attained by having a trading journal. You're going to have some habits like stepping away from the charts where you're emotional and trading with a detailed plan. It's going to help you to attain this attribute of self-awareness. So that is our point number 8. So you're going to see that as I wrap up all this information, that when you combine all these elements, a complete trader can navigate markets effectively and achieve their trading goals. See you on the next one. Thank you very much.